I'm Markus, CEO and co-founder of the Munich-based startup Spanflug Technologies. Our software as a service product, Spanflug Make, is a quoting solution for CNC machining companies. The automated Spanflug process automatically generates quotes for CNC turning and milling parts. With Spanflug Make, machining companies get their quotes based on CAD files and technical drawings. Every information required for manufacturing and calculation is automatically generated, extracted from those files. There's no manual effort required anymore. Users instantly get our quoting proposal with a detailed manufacturing breakdown of costs and times. The calculations are actually done by the Spanflug algorithm, which was improved and developed by hundred thousands of turning and milling parts in the last 5 years. At EMO 2023, we are going to present the latest version of Spanflug, which was developed to be the ultimate end-to-end quoting tool. So what does it mean, end-to-end? This means we support users from receiving customer quotes to send out finalized quote documents back to their customers. And for this purpose, we developed a whole set of new features. Yeah, it's really easy to get started with Spanflug. Our software works out of the box and can be customized for individual machine shops just with a few simple steps. To sum it up, Spanflug Make is the leading calculation software and quoting software in the CNC market, which makes quoting really effortless. Yeah, I would welcome you at our booth on the Future of Connectivity booth at the EMO in Hannover, and looking forward to chat with you. Thank you very much.